Let's get to this breaking news. The Department of Energy signing a $1 billion deal with Advanced Micro Devices to build two next-generation supercomputers. These two computers are named Lux and Discovery. They will be used to tackle complex scientific problems involving nuclear power, cancer treatments, and national security. The tech packed inside these supercomputers will come from AMD, which is hitting a record right now, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, Oracle Cloud, and Oak Ridge National Laboratory. Madison Alworth is with the Energy Secretary right now live for the details on this very unique public-private partnership, Madison.
Hey, Liz. Yes, it is incredibly unique and incredibly fast. That first computer, Lux, it's going to be up and running in less than 6 months, and it's going to have 3 times the AI capacity of current supercomputers on the market. So that first computer is going to run on AMD chips as well as CPUs. It's also going to be a partnership with Oracle Cloud International Infrastructure, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, and Oak Ridge National Laboratory. The second computer, which is the more advanced computer called Discovery, that's going to be up and operating in 2029. In terms of how this is going to work, Liz, the Department of Energy will host the computers, the companies will provide the machines and the capital spending, and then both sides will share the computing power. I'm here with Chris Wright, Energy Secretary, as you mentioned, Liz. Chris, one of the big things with this project is the speed. This is going to be up and running in less than 6 months. What's different this time around that allowed you to move so fast?
This is President Trump getting government to move at the speed of business. Can't go through a normal procurement process and do something that fast. So we just said, look, we have land, we have computing centers. How can you do something fast with us? And again, these 3 commercial businesses came to us and said, we'll build a data center right here and just split the computing power with us. We can use it for commercial applications. You can use it for science, and we'll grow our partnership. We said, let's go.
And so these are going to be open science computers. What are some of the innovations that you expect to come out of Lux and Discovery?
So 2 huge areas. One is cancer. We're going to understand exactly the nature of cancerous tumors and how to combat them. One of the goals is to use these advancements at our labs from imaging down to the molecular level and then behavior through these models to figure out how to treat various cancers that today are death sentences and turn them into manageable conditions. A second one is fusion energy, right? What powers the sun and all the stars? We've been working on that for 40 years, but with artificial intelligence, that work is going to rapidly accelerate. We're going to figure out how to create energy from a new source that'll help us double down even more on AI.
So this is an incredible public-private announcement worth about $1 billion. Are we going to see more deals like this AMD deal coming soon?
Absolutely. This is going to be a role model for this government-wide effort to keep the United States in the lead in AI. We can't do things the way we used to do them. We have to do them differently. Super excited about this first announcement, but yeah, you'll see plenty more like this coming down the line.
Secretary Wright, thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
I mean, Liz, you hear that. We could be seeing cures for cancer and discover how to contain plasma energy with computers like this. Like I said, first one up in less than 6 months. Liz?